Everyone. So in this video, I'm going to share how you can uninstall WordPress from your cPanel. If you already installed your WordPress using Softaculous, you can access from here, or you can search for Softaculous. So you can find the option here. So here you will find something like this. And if you click on the installations, you can find all the installations you might be there. From here, you will find some modification, creating staging website, clone, and other stuff. And if you click on here, it will give you a automatic logged into your website without any username or password. It will work like a magic link. So this is how the things work. But I'm going to uninstall this installation. So here I can click to remove, or if I have multiple installation, I can click or select the specific installation, then I can go with this one. So right now I'm going to just remove, so it will give you some option, but for now it's all good. So I can go to remove installation and it will ask for the confirmation. So let's go with it, and it could take a few seconds. So it will remove installation and delete everything. So here is now fresh cPanel. If you go to your cPanel or the file manager, you will find everything is empty. So there should not be anything under the public HTML. So this is all good. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next time.